Hi guys, it's Tiff. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is well. Today I'm going to be eating prep for like 24 hours for the whole day. So I've ordered breakfast. I'm talking quietly because it's really early in the morning. It's 7:15. I've been awake since 5:30. I don't know what's going on at the moment, but my sleep is messed up. I keep waking up at like 5 o'clock in the morning and yeah, I'm not happy about it. So if I look a bit dishevelled, that's why. But basically, yeah, I've got breakfast and I'm so excited to eat it because I'm starving. So yeah, let's just jump into the video. Okay, for breakfast we have a cheese and ham toasty, and I bought one of the new, what was that? I bought one of their new autumn range coffees, so I think it's like maple leaf or something, and it's got marshmallows in there. I don't know if you can see, I don't want to spill it. Oh, so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on with this because I'm starving. Why don't they cut it? Oh god, this really winds me up. Anyway, let's just give this a go, shall we? Cheers. It's a bit like stale almost. Maybe it's because I bit the crust. This is why they should cut it so you can get the middle. That bite was much better. Looks like so inside, in case anyone was wondering. Nothing can beat that middle bit. I want to try some of this as well. Cheers. It's okay, it's nice, it's very sweet. Maybe a bit too sweet for me. My favourite autumn / winter drink is the Terry's chocolate orange. Is that by Costa too? I think it is. It's chocolate orange hot chocolate. Oh my god, it's to die for. I can't wait for that to come out. My nan's just come in, so that's why the dog's going crazy. He loves my nan so much, and my nan loves him. I actually think my nan loves him more than me. Like, genuinely. Okay, the crust is like really tough, so am I gonna eat this? Yeah, I probably should. Okay, I finished the toasty, so I'm just gonna finish my drink, get ready for work, take the dog for a walk, do my workout, wash my face. I brushed my teeth, but I haven't washed my face because I like to wash my face after I work out because then I'm sweaty, you know? But yeah, so I will see you at lunchtime. Goodbye. All right guys, it's lunchtime and I am hungry. So what I got for lunch was, I didn't actually think about this because now I'm realizing what I ordered for lunch I should have ordered for dinner, but we're here now. So I ordered the creamy mac and cheese. It says with mature cheddar, fresh spinach and parsley crumb. And I got a not a cheese twist, I got a chocolate twist for dessert, you know. And then I also got a choc chip mint frap. Now, the colour looks a bit suspicious to me. I don't know, it doesn't look like mint choc chip. I was expecting it to be green for some reason, but I'm gonna give this a go. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I don't think I like that. It's like a really watery choc chip mint drink. And like there's bits of choc in there, chocolate. And I don't really like bits. I'm one of those people, if I have orange juice, I need it without bits. So, not the biggest fan of that. Oh, this looks so good. And it's smoking hot as well. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Wow. That is a good mac and cheese, baby. It's not too creamy. It's got enough cream, or like enough sauce. The crumb on top is delicious. So I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, and I'm gonna film it and do like a new hair reveal, which I'm really excited for. Like, you know, winter's coming, you need new hair, all that jazz. So I'm really excited for you guys to see that. The only thing I would say about this is there's not a lot of spinach in there. A tiny amount. I would have liked a bit more Pret, to be honest. Costa. Oh my god. Did I say this morning that I ordered it from Pret? Or Costa? I don't know. It's Costa, by the way, guys, not Pret. Oops, sorry. Last bite. Alright, next up is the chocolate twist. Looks delicious. My dog is literally like, Mum, no, you can't have any, darling. I don't really know what to do with this. No. It cost me £5 though, I'm not gonna waste it, do you know what I mean? Okay, let's go for... Pick that up before he eats it. Let's give this... Oh dear, it's very flaky. It's not very like crispy, it's quite soggy, so that's a bit disappointing. It's not like a croissant. Still gonna eat it though. Okie dokie, last bite. I'll wash it now on this awful drink. Alright then, well that's lunch done. That twist was really disappointing, but that mac and cheese, 10 out of 10. This, 0 out of 10, hate it. But I'm gonna go and chill now. I'm gonna take the dog for a walk off this food. And then yeah, I'll see you at dinner time. And just like that, it's dinner time. It's 5:30, or 20 to 6 actually. I've got a bacon roll for dinner. I've got, what's this again? I've got a Biscoff Rocky Road, and I've got a white chocolate, hot chocolate. So, I've had a long day at work. I'm tired. Is there anything better than a sausage roll? There's no ketchup in it. BRB, I'm gonna go and put some ketchup in it. All right, I've got the star of the show. Let's put some of this bad boy on. Oh yeah. Okay, let's enjoy this first bite together, guys, all right? And you can just stay away. I was about this close to ordering the mac and cheese again, but I thought I can't do that. That's not right. I want to try some of this hot chocolate. It smells weird. No, that's horrible. Oh, and also an update on the mint choc chip. I didn't finish it. I couldn't bring myself to do it. This genuinely tastes like sweet plastic. Costa, what on earth is going on with your drinks? You need to sort it out. Don't get me wrong, the mac and cheese and this is good. What did I have? Oh, the chocolate swirl was shit. The toasty was nice though. So there seems to be a bit of a discrepancy. Your savoury meals seem to be really good, but your sweet stuff, like your drinks and your sweet pastries, I think you might need to revisit the kitchen. Go back to the drawing board, you know? I don't know if you can see this, but like the consistency is so watery. Like you would expect a hot chocolate to be thick, right? Well, not this. Do you know what it tastes like? Play-Doh. That's what it tastes like, and it smells like Play-Doh too. I'm really disappointed in this. Anyway, let's lighten up the mood and try this Biscoff Rocky Road. Looks like so. It smells like coffee. Do you know what, Costa, yeah? You're actually taking liberties. £3 for this, and it tastes like utter dog shit. This is the worst day I've ever had. Albie, come here. I'm gonna get my little brother to try this, right?
What is it?
Tell me what you think it is, and tell me if you think it's nice. Disgusting, right?
I have no clue, and it doesn't taste nice.
No, it's meant to be a white chocolate, hot chocolate. Tell the camera so they don't think I'm lying.
Oh,
Please sit down. This is my little brother, everyone.
It's absolutely disgusting.
Yeah, it is. I would not recommend. And also taste this as well.
What's this?
It's meant to be a Biscoff Rocky Road. What do you think?
It's all right, but it don't taste.
Biscoff.
It tastes like coffee.
That's what I said. It tastes like coffee, guys. Honestly, I would not recommend Costa. At least you guys know that I'm not lying. Not nice at all. I said it tastes like Play-Doh.
Both of it doesn't even taste like.
I know.
Like any of it.
I don't know what they're doing.
White chocolate, no.
No.
Biscoff,
No.
Make sure to subscribe.
Hey.
Subscribe to Tiffany, and by the way, I started my own YouTube channel, so go and subscribe
When
to mine.
did you do that?
I made one the other day.
Did you?
Yeah, if you like Roblox, come check it out.
I'll put a link in the description, I guess. Thanks, guys. Why am I holding this like this? I don't know. Please ignore, everything's just falling apart in this video. Please ignore the dressing gowns. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of Reese, my lovely boy. And yeah, I will see you in the next one, and I will have new hair. So yeah, bye guys.